My kids love meatballs. Also,
Love meatballs.
the texture, but not always, you know, ground beef is what you should be eating. So we actually took some ground turkey.
Okay.
And then we took some cauliflower that is lightly blanched. That's little kernels of cauliflower. And then we have some cheddar cheese that we grated that we're gonna put inside there.
Okay.
But when you make your meatballs, the first thing you actually have to do when you're making meatballs is to make something called a panade. Basically a bread soaked in a little bit of milk. But first you saute onions and garlic.
Okay.
And some oil. So these meatballs they're a little bit softer than normal meatballs.
And a softer texture may be actually nice for a younger child.
Yeah, it's a little bit
And
nicer.
meatballs are such a great family meal. I mean, kids like them, parents like them.
I think a lot of parents struggle saying that their child will only eat, you know, the chicken nuggets and French fries. And I
Right.
think we can really shape that child's palate by introducing these foods early on and often and in creative and colorful ways that are fun.